Hello, fellow hair loss people. Sorry it's been so long. It's been a crazy couple of months, but I do want to do a full review for you guys today. So today is day 657, had to check my notes, post-op since my hair transplant. For those of you who have not been following along, I got 2,500 grafts along the front, and I got 1,500 grafts in the crown area. It's funny because when I first got my hair transplant, I was only 28 years old, and now I'm 30. It's been about 2 years. And at the time, when you're in your 20s, everyone still has great hair. I feel like lately, in my early 30s, everyone's starting to lose their hair, and it's nice to be the guy with good hair in the group. I continue to try to educate my peers on that, the different options that there are for preventing hair loss, as well as informing them on hair transplants. I've talked to plenty of people about it. For those of you who don't know, I do have my personal email address that's listed under my profile. And just recently I had a guy actually named James reach out and say how helpful my videos were. So I really hope that you guys have benefited from these videos, especially the first month, 2 month, 3 month. You don't really know a lot about how a hair transplant is supposed to pan out, what it's supposed to look like, and I really tried to do my best with documenting that. So when I got my hair transplant, it was just a month after I got engaged. And just now, I actually, about a month and a half ago, I got married. And it's funny, looking back at my engagement photos, it stinks. I had a horrible hairline, I was bald in the back, and we just got our wedding photos back the other day, and it's unbelievable. What a difference. I'm really happy that I got this hair transplant. I really, truly feel like it has changed my life. And it's incredible that you guys who have been following along have stuck with me for this 2-year-long journey. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me on my email address. I'm happy to help in whatever way I can. And other than that, I'm going to show you the close-up. So keep in mind, we are under pretty harsh. I've got an overhead light on, and we've got the skylight open. This is my left side. This is my strong side, as we know. And then looking down at the crown. Pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Maybe at some point I might get the left side touched up a little bit, but honestly for now I'm pretty happy. I've got really dense full coverage. I've been on topical finasteride mixed in with minoxidil for about 2 years now, since I had surgery. It's been doing great for preventing further hair loss, so that's been very successful. All of my native hair is doing better than ever. All the sides in my back of my head are very healthy and strong, so I'm very happy. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to message me, like and subscribe, and I'll do a longer review at my 2-year mark. Thanks, guys.